Alright, today is June 21st, 2022. It is day 337 of web development, and it is Tuesday. I'm just gonna do a simple grid. Yeah, that's it today. Alright, some HTML tags. The HTML tags, so inside I'll do my head tags, and I don't even need that. I'll do body, if I could ever spell body. And body tag, I'll do a div, label it container. In the container, I'll just do a card. Actually, I'm not gonna put anything inside of it, so just end up doing something simple. No need for IDs because it's not as if I'm going to change the picture of anything. So for everything, let me do padding 0, margin 0. You won't even see anything change because there's no borders. For the body, I'm just gonna give it a background of D3, D3, and then for the container, I'll give it a border radius of 20 pixels, and then I'll give it a background of E, and then I'll give it a height of 100 VH, and then I'll give it a margin of 50 pixels, and then the cards, I'll give them a border radius also of 20 pixels, and then I'll give it a background of a random image that I find on Unsplash in 1 second. I don't even know. We do architecture. No, how about Tokyo? I could always do something like that. Right click, copy image address, and then just go back here, paste that in there. Give the container a display of grid. Say grid template columns. So repeat 3 times 1FR. Let's do a grid gap of 1EM, which is the equivalent of 16 pixels. And then I'll do background size cover, so it covers the entirety of its container, which is the card, and then background position bottom, so it starts at the bottom, and then we can give it a certain height of 400 pixels, so it's not that crazy. And then maybe I would want the other one, the pink one. That's so ugly. That's center. Or top. Alright, save that, and then let me see what it looks like. That's so bad. Alright, how about we do 600 pixels. Something like that, and then the cards, they can have a padding, no, not the, maybe the container can have a padding of 20 pixels, and it could also have a display of, oh no, it's not going to have a display effects. How about the padding, it should be 50 pixels, let's go center. We'll do something different, so we'll do div class grid, and then just paste that in there, and then I'll change the display for these to go to the grid and paste that in there, And then here, I'll give it a display of flex, so it's at the center. So flex, and then justify content center, so it aligns horizontally, and then align items center aligns vertically. And then I'll get rid of this padding here. Flex, justify content. This thing literally just disappeared. What in the world happened? So the grid, display grid, blah blah blah. Card, and then display flex, container, justify content center, align item center, because it doesn't have a height. It does have a height. Hold on. So what happened? Grid supposed to be 5 pixels. Black solid. Well, that's weird. There we go. Okay, I get rid of that border. That should show up there. But then the only thing is, why is this not working? Where's the padding here? Why is it like that though? There we go. Because I did that by accident. Alright, and then go scroll all the way down. Media, max width, 800 pixels, and then change the grid to have grid template columns to be 1FR, 1FR. That should change. 400 pixels? Was it the grid? Grid template columns. Now what? Grid. Oh, that's why. Okay, should work if I do 1,000 like that, and then once it hits maybe 600 or 800 pixels, it should be 1FR. There we go. Did I just, oh my god, bro, I cannot right now. I really cannot today. Today is just not it. Okay. Alright, and then to make it a little bit prettier, or funner, funner really should be a word. Don't tell me you reloaded, you're kidding me. Did it not save? Like what? What's going on? I have no idea what's going on right now. This thing just absolutely went weird. What? Whatever. So when I hover over the card, I'm going to position relative and then go from the top -2 pixels. So that works out, and then it works out this way. Okay, so that's fine. I guess this thing is just glitching here. There we go. Okay, I don't even know what the heck was the problem. Alright, share, copy link. I don't even know where my stuff is. Where is it? dots here. Well, anyway, yeah, that's it for today. Bye.